Hi guys, so today we shall be making a brightening face mask, and this face mask can be used by all skin type. Now the good thing about this face mask is that it was formulated to target acne and acne scars, brown and black spots on your face, and also hyperpigmentation. These are things that this mask is going to correct for you. On average, a mask in the market is anywhere between 1,000 naira to 3,000 naira, but this is very affordable and it works like fire. Okay, but before we get into all that, welcome to Bloom Skincare. My name is Emeka. If this is your first time coming across the channel, welcome. On this channel we'll talk about skincare in its entirety, be it pro mixing or organic, with the aim of achieving a flawless skin. If this is something you are interested in, kindly click on the subscription button below to join the Bloom Skincare family. Also turn on your post notification bell so as to be notified every time I upload a new video. So guys, let's get right into it. To make this brightening face mask, we'll be needing three very simple and basic botanical powders. Now you don't have to use all three of these powders, just one would do a good job on your face, but I like to be a little extra when it comes to skincare. Now the first powder on our list today is turmeric powder, and turmeric powder, you know, is the powder of choice when it comes to skin lightening, when it comes to organically growing your skin, and when it comes to getting rid of body spots, black spots, and hyperpigmentation in general. You should not be making a face mask. In fact, if there is any powder that you should omit, or that you should omit in this recipe, make sure it's not your turmeric powder. You can use turmeric powder alone and it will be fine. Now, aside from turmeric powder, another powder we'll be using today is our neem powder, and we are using neem powder because of its antibacterial properties. It has the ability to fight acne, and it also has the ability to control oil production in our skin. So if you are someone that is suffering from very oily skin, please do not miss out neem powder in your own recreation of the formula, because it is going to take care of your acne, and it's going to take care of your acne scars, and it's going to treat the problem, which is overproduction of oil in your skin. Now the last powder we are going to be using today is none other than our licorice powder. Of course, you know that licorice powder is a natural lightening agent that is going to brighten up your skin in no time. But guys, all these powders should be used at the right amount. Very little goes a long way when it comes to skincare. It's not about packing too much into a simple face mask. So let me just show you my powders. I already have them here. My turmeric powder, my neem powder, and my licorice powder. You just need a clean container, and you need very clean hands, because there's nothing as bad as using your hands that are contaminated with germs on your face. So into your bowl with your powders, you add a drop of your tea tree essential oil, and this is just to also help with acne and acne problems. And then you add a bit of water, guys. So once you add your essential oil and your water, you can go in with your hands and just make a simple paste out of it. So guys, it's as simple as that. You make a simple paste. I want you to see what it looks like. Look at that. Look at that. So in the same plight, because all this can be done very fast using your hand. After you've mixed it properly, you can just apply it directly on your face, straight onto your face. So once you have this on your face, you leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then you wash off. So guys, you can also use other things. You can use oil in place of water, and you can use your honey, you can use your apple cider vinegar, you can use literally any liquid to dissolve this. but use something that is very friendly for your face. So now that I have it applied everywhere, I'm going to wait for 5 minutes, wash it off, and then come show you the results. Alright guys, so this is what my face looks like after washing off the marks. You can see the glow already, and you can see that the turmeric is really doing its job. Also, if you have any bentonite clay in the house, please add it to the formula. The clay will help extract any dirt embedded deep into your skin. Okay, now for usage of these marks, I would advise that you use this mask at least 2 to 3 times a week. This will help with clearing your black spots, your brown spots, your acne scars, and your hyperpigmentation. So consistent use over a period of time will help you see faster results. Okay guys, so there you have it, how to make your simple brightening face masks. Guys, if you enjoyed this content, if you liked this video, do not forget to click on the like button, and do not also forget to share this video with your friends and family. Help a sister out, help a brother out, also help me out. And also, if you're yet to subscribe, I don't know what you're waiting for. Scroll down below and click on the subscribe button. Also click on the post notification button so as to be notified every time I upload a new video. Until I come your way in the next video, remain blessed. And always remember, for skincare products to work, you have to have both patience and you have to be very consistent.